Well, it's funnel. I don't know if it's tornado. It's definitely funnel. Yeah, if you want to take over the roads for a minute, it's pretty much a grid, so. Can you quit filling? No, okay. Your next few stops. Oh, it's on the ground. Right, it's on the ground.
It is, yep. Right.
There it is.
You want to go east here, though, otherwise you're going to get screwed going south too far.
Right.
Literally right here, where the power lines are.
I see it.
Actually, this way you're going to have to go back a half mile north.
Time is 7:40.
Oh, you're through. Yes.
Videotape.
Got it. Oh, it looks like it's dissipating already.
Yeah, that was on the ground.
It was for a brief time.
Oh, that's like kick it.
Oh, dirt.
Yep.
There it is on the ground. Weak tornado. About 4 miles west of Labette. Time is 7:40, and that was Labette, Kansas.
Still on the ground?
It is. Bumps. Alright, fine. Not too earthquakey. Wow, that's a weak, very weak. Wow. Zoom out a little bit more here.
I'll get the.
Sorry, you can still see the dirt. Wow. There you have it. Still on the ground, just barely. A little bit of dust. Some dirt being lofted.
Yeah, the time is 7:41. Tornado might still be on the ground, but
It's pretty much sheer apart.